push, the herbs, the healing, the thinking toe. He's got everything there. Everything is there, guys. So remember whenever you're feeling not too healthy, feeling a bit sickly, spirulina wine. So you know the spirulina wine if you feel to get some spirulina in your system. Yes, guys. Well, guys. So I'm back here in Trenchtown. You know, you can see the wow chef is here.
Yeah, man.
Preparing the nice and peas.
Yeah,
you know, for the elders then.
Yeah, man. Because no coconut milk in it and the butter, you know.
Rice and peas looking good. Put some in my hand, let me taste it, please. The wow chef might burn me up, man.
Alright, now take my time, man. Take my time, man. Sorry.
Wait. So see the wow. Wow FC. This is the wow FC. We're not talking about no KFC. This is the wow. What
So that's very good, you know, man. Yeah, we know behind that threat, that very good to get. No matter yet, me not eat no food, not going for me, you know. Nothing not going, I'm going to tell you, man. You know where I eat the koi?
where is?
Crackers and some sugar. If you but choke me, I show you. That me.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, guys, blessed love. Yes, I want to say a huge thank you to all my viewers. Then welcome back to Kina Live in Jamaica. You know, today I just went to get some plates, you know, and fork, because you know we're cooking for the elders. You know, as usual, cooking for the elders today, but we definitely want to focus on the golden age. Yeah, so today we're going to cook some food to bring to the golden age also, you know, because you know golden age has been a huge part of everything as well too, because you know that's the homeless them that is there, the elders them that you know that no one to look after them really. So yeah, so they're there at the golden age, so we're going to go there today to deliver some food to them. You know, I want to also give thanks to Cosmo King, you know, who sponsored this meal for the elders them today. So today we'll be going to the golden age to give them some food, you know. So the guys them is already there cooking. The guys them already there cooking already. So I just came to get the plates and the fork, you know, so we can go and get this thing, get the move on. So we have light parts, so we have the wow chef already in the kitchen. Wagwan. We on break. Yeah man, so we got light parts and the wow chef is already in the kitchen. So here I got like some plates and some forks, you know, so we're gonna deliver some food to the golden age today. You know it goes already. So guys, if you're watching, remember to put a thumbs up, you know, give the video a like, you know, never stop like the good work that we're doing, and we thank you so much for also supporting the good work that we're doing, you know. Herbal man. Oh, go on. All is well?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Where you say to get some phone call?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know through. Don't call, but through my phone. When I get back the phone yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then get back your phone here. So you know you have to always have your phone for the business.
Yeah, to the business.
So, you know, people call, you know.
Yeah.
But at least you get some calls, you know, it's good, you know.
Yeah.
Once.
Just a call once a blow.
Yeah man. So at least you feel good, I can help you, you know? So this is the herbal man, guys. He's right at the clock tower gate, you know, across from the York Pharmacy. Here's where to get all your herbs them. What go on? Respect. Big up every time, you know? Much respect. Yeah, so here's where you get all your herbs them, what you need for your health, for the benefit, you know? All the herbs them. So if you're here,
Bush, your cup, bush, everything.
go for everything. This is all the bush, the herbs, the healing, the thinking toe. He's got everything there. Everything is there, guys. So remember whenever you're feeling not too healthy, feeling a bit sickly, spirulina wine. So you have the spirulina wine if you feel to get some spirulina in your system. You know, spirulina got a lot of everything also. It also is here in Apple Tree, you know, the clock tower plaza is right at the gate, you know. So the last time, you know, see him, we promote him and he got some phone call, but right now I think him said phone is down, right?
Yeah, phone down, so it's soon up back. But me about one I can get the call back.
Oh,
Can get the number.
what's the number for that one?
Yeah. And one when me get the call back.
Yeah,
You can open by the call,
yeah. What's the number?
898 35 32.
So
898 35 32.
says 1876 898
Yeah.
1
898 35 32.
35 32. Says 898 35 32. So this is the herbal man, the herbalist, you know. So guys, so he's got all different type of herbal bush for all the needs that you're gonna need, you know. Anything if you lack, you know, he's got that to pack you back with it, you know. So you can give him a call, you know, and continue support. And remember, guys, it's health over wealth. So you got all the roots right here.
Trash, dopey gun.
Yeah, peanut trash. He's got everything.
Everything.
Yes, guys, so he's got everything, you know, all he needs. So you can call him if you want any information, anything at all, no juice. You can call him whenever you. Yeah, so he's got everything for the goodie, you know. I heard them big up here, herbal man. Alright then, bless up. Yes, guys, so we're gonna head back in Trenchtown where we can get the food started out for the elders today, you know, and also delivering some food to the golden age. So we're right across from the York Pharmacy here, Clock Tower Plaza. This is the main road here in Tree. So we're heading down to Trenchtown now. You know the thing go. So that is it. Brown man. Brown man. Yes, guys, so remember to give the video a like, you know, remember to give the thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching Inner Life in Jamaica. God bless you guys. Thank you so much. Wow. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, the sun is something else, you know. The sun is so hot, you know. Imagine when the summer is here again. Wow. Hey, people will be screaming in Jamaica. Imagine when the summer is back. When the summer is back here in Jamaica, listen, it's gonna be so hectic, you know, because right now the sun is piling down, you know. The sun is so hot right now, but we all have to give thanks here, man, because when it's no sun, we say, oh, we need sun. When it's raining, we complain about the rain. When it's overcast, so boy, anything you get, you take what you get, right? That is it. Just work with what you have. So right now we have some nice sun, no rain for the longest while, you know. Well, it's not a bit strange, but there's been no rain for the longest while. But at least we're getting the wonderful sun. And if you think it's too hot, we have the beach, we have the river, you can go and relax, you know. also, and just full of vibes, you know, tropical life. So I'm taking my time now heading down into Trenchtown. There's a bit of traffic on the road, as you can see. There's traffic here on the road, you know, Jamaica. So many cars, you know. I remember when I was younger, hey, you never used to see so many cars on the road. Actually, it never used to have traffic, you know. If I can remember, you know, no traffic. It never used to have no traffic. Not so much cars on the road. Right now, anyone can afford a car here in Jamaica, you know. That's the greatest thing about, you know, the upliftment of our country, improvement, you know, if you know that people can afford stuff right now. You know, it's either by higher purchase, you know, they work and they pay it off some way, somehow, or, you know, somebody does say, yeah, well, listen, just let me have money, go and buy a car and I pay you back monthly. And it works out, you know, people have money these days. You know, and the country is expensive, guys, you know, because, you know, the country is full of investors as well. You know, the investors taking over Jamaica from left to right. So investors them come here, you know, paying the US price for each and everything where they come and put inside the island. So it is what it is, you know. Hopefully we can see improvement, you know, here in Jamaica. And the taxes, wow. Hey, the taxes, the taxes is so sky high. It's rocketing as well too on anything when you buy, you know. Hey, you cannot go inside a supermarket and think you can buy and go with 10,000 or 20,000. Hey, you walk out with less than a half a bag of nothing at all. You know, you wonder what you just spent, what you just buy, you know, what you just bought. Nothing at all, you know. So boy, so I want to see what Jamaica is going to be like the next 15 years from now, you know, what our country will be like and look like next 15 years from now, the way things is going on. So guys, so hey, so thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, it's mean the world. Thank you so much for supporting by hitting the thumbs up, you know, and subscribers, thank you so much for subscribe, you know, and who is still watching, hey, all the watchers them, come on. You know, remember there's one thing about life. You have to live life, don't react to life. Right? Don't react to life. Because most people living them life and just reacting. You cannot be just reacting to life. You have to be living life. You know, give thanks for life and just go and show your potential and do what you can do. You understand? No, you have to just you have to go and live your life, you know. Create your duty, you know, go and do something. Do something, you know. Show your potential, because people is not actually living their own life. They're not, you know, they're living their life through people, right? So you have to live your life. Don't just react to other people's life. Just live your life, you know. We're here and show love. Remember, love conquers all. Because no matter what in life, always show love. Love will always conquer hate, you know, because hate would always be at that gate, you know. Hate cannot come inside that love yard, no. When you have a community full of love, hate will be knocking at the gate, cannot get in. But remember guys, just live your life, man. Give thanks, you understand? Know your purpose, you know, and know your true potential. Don't react to what people is doing in their life, you understand? React to what you're doing in your life. Spend more time on yourself, think about what you want for your future, you understand? That's how I think, you know. So give thanks, right? Like God, the Almighty give all of us life for us to experience it. Alright, so experience your life. Know your worth, know your purpose. Right? Don't live off someone else's strength. No, live off your strength. Trust me. So blessed love guys. So here we hand away. So stay tuned. Remember to smash that like button. You understand? Like if you like it. Like if you like it. You know, thumbs down if you don't. Still got the same love, you know. Support if you want to support. That is it. Still got no grudge against you. Got love for you. So that is it guys. So this is part of Kino Day today, and as you can see, the traffic is on top of things, but that is it.
Pas de soleil,
Yes guys, well guys, so I'm back here in Trenchtown. You know, you can see the wow chef is here.
Yeah, man.
Preparing the nice and peas,
Yeah,
you know, for the elders then.
Yeah, man. Put more coconut milk in it and the butter, you know.
Rice and peas looking good. Put some in my hand, let me taste it, please. And wow chef, my bone me up, man.
Alright, now take my time, man. I take my time, man. Sorry.
Boy.
Go on, man.
It is right.
I found a slice fish, you know.
Wow.
Go over here and go buy it.
Yeah. That is it. Check out the wow chef, nice and peas.
Yeah.
You know, the elders them are got nice. A little bit from now. You know, so we'll check out the kitchens, guys. I'm just reach back with the plates and the fork. You know, reach here. Just reach here with the plate and the fork. So you know we have rice and peas and chicken. You know, for the elders them today. Fire, come go shop to me now. Fry some chicken. Yeah. Yeah, so alright, so we see the chicken over here.
Yeah.
So see there, whoa. Whoa FC. This is the Whoa FC. We're not talking about no KFC. This is the Whoa. What a lot of chicken, man. Whoa FC. And it's finger licking good. Finger licking good, you know. So we give thanks. You know, so the chicken almost finished now. We say, oh, so we got 4 pieces left.
Yeah, some gravy,
Yes.
Try them up and make some gravy.
See guys, so we're almost finished. As you can see, we're almost finished. I want to give thanks to Cosmo King. You know, thank you so much, Cosmo King. Wow chef.
Yeah, man.
Cosmo King.
Cosmo King. Only for love and not bless me, you know, this day today is the elders them day today. Yeah, so you see.
So you're going to head to the golden age.
You're going to the golden age and a couple more places in the community. And just the golden age.
A couple more. You know, we are getting the usual, but
alright, but mostly
today we're feeding the golden
age. Mostly. There's mostly homeless and there's lots of people on the road. So as we've done, box up and bag up right at golden age at the first stop. And then after we just make a next stop and go, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Cosmo King,
only for blessing, enough love from 2 heart then you see. Only for blessing, you know, respect and honor for
Cosmo King provide the meal.
Provide for the homeless them and the elders them, you see. Yeah man, Cosmo King, enough love, only for blessing, you know. You see. Blessed you.
Yeah man. So we give thanks to Mr. Cosmo. Big up yourself, Mr. King. You know, thank you so much. You know, today for providing the meal for the elders. You know, because the elders them always have to get looked after. You know, even if I'm here and I'm not here, them always have to look out for the elders. You know, I will give thanks every time, each and every day. You know, so you can see, so this is going to be cut up and thing for you, for the gravy.
Can't put too much pepper, you know. Put it on in there already.
Can't put too many pepper.
Yeah, that's alright. No, I'm going to pepper in there.
Yeah.
Too much pepper.
Yeah, can't put too many pepper for the elders then. So we're almost finished, right?
Yeah, almost finished now.
So we're almost finished, so that means we're right and we're on time.
Right,
because you know, yes. So you know we don't want to feed the elder them late.
Yeah,
so the time is now after 2, so you know, so by the time
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Yeah. By at least 3:30 latest. We're ready. So we can get the ball roll and everything and then vegetables and everything. So we want to thank each and every one, thanking you so much, you know, for supporting the program. You know, thanking you so much for supporting the program each and every time. You know, it's a blessing. For God blessing you so much, you know, for supporting the program each and every day. You know, so welcome. So we're here, you know, so we're gonna get things started out and everything. You know, get things started out. Cosmo King, big up yourself every time. Mr. Cosmo, you know, big up yourself, and I will thank you so much for supporting. So guys, let me say, what is life? Either you do good or you do bad. It's your choice. You understand? It's always the choice is in your hand. And I choose to do good. Good or bad? Hey, react to your life. Positivity. That is the way. That is the way. One way is the good way. The bad way is the highway. Afro Spikes, what's happening with the box last night, mate?
You go drop it off. Delivery.
So what about mine? Should I drop off mine?
No, I delivery. We get delivery. We just drop it.
Alright. Yes guys, so now we know it's sharing time. The sharing is caring. So now the ladies them in there is sharing the food for the elders them. You know, so I'm gonna take you in there to show you what's going on and everything. So well, I guess we're on time same way. You know, I guess we're on time same way. So it's time for the elders them. So we're gonna check out what's going on in the kitchen. And it's time now for us to go and feed the elders, guys. It's time now. Very time. So Cosmo King, big up yourself. You know the thing about Cosmo King, big up yourself every time, and thank you so much, you know, for looking out for the less fortunate, you know. So it is that time now, you know, food time, you know, food is sharing, you know, when they say sharing is caring. So now we're gonna head up by the golden age as well to and give out to some elders that around here as well too. Right, so well. So I'm going in the kitchen. Chicken. This is it, guys. So we have chicken. So beautiful. Chicken for the elders. So they have rice and peas, vegetable and chicken. You know, over here, chicken. It's a finger licking good. Finger licking good. Yes guys, so we're gonna box them. So when time we bring them, we can unbox them. You know? You like when you get a gift and you start the unboxing. So we're doing the boxing and then we go to the golden age and give them to the elders. Now they will do the unboxing. Yes guys, so I would say I want to thank our extended family so much, you know. Cosmo King, thank you so much for blessing. Yes, Cosmo King, thank you so much for blessing the elders. Then, you know, thank you for you blessing. We cannot thank you as much as we're supposed to, but help us viewers and who's watching, subscribers, help us thank them so much, you know. Cosmo King, bless them and give up to you every time, you know. So, alright. Respect. Oh, call him. Call Zaire. Look up, go get him the food. Go get him the food.
Zaire them?
Yeah. Come twin, come. Call us.
Welcome to UK.
Hold on, shall I get the fork?
Support.
Wait for the fork, wait.
Hey, what is going on?
Wait for the fork. Alright. Wait for the fork. Come on. I fight me out.
Yeah.
Give me the fork.
Come up and dance and hold the plate now.
Come on.
I want to just smile. I wish I had some.
Which is?
Go on, pick up the bomb and start here.
Yeah. Evening. Take up the finger to your mouth, boy.
Get them, baby. Good evening.
Alright, we'll go for the golden age now. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna head to the golden age. You know. Yes guys, so we're gonna head to the golden age. You know, Esther, you coming? Come on. Yeah. Yes.
Rasta man.
Bring the water so we can count out the 15 or going there.
The fast, you know.
Okay. Let down that.
Give me that. Give me that, man. Put it in that.
No, we are counting them, man.
No, man. Then the man to a room. No, we are not coming, man. Be there.
Alright, bless it. There you go. There you go. There you go.
You have four people come on the block there, then just pick up with them and keep them up to the bar. Well, keep them in to a room.
Eh?
You tell us to come this way.
Okay.
There, but open that door and let you walk from that.
There.
Yeah.
Bless it. You want it in here or out here?
Yeah.
Out here, sir? You want it?
Yeah. You can't share, get man, and we'll be back in the basket.
Alright.
Yeah, let's all do this.
Alright, come on, son. I can share it, give him say. Evening.
Hi, Mr. Dean.
Blessing. Give them the water as well.
No, I'm not even, thank you very much. I'm not even
You know what? Hello, mommy.
Hello, dear.
How you doing?
Okay, Daddy.
Them there in here. Bring 2 water and come, boom.
I'm going to take up the water. I'm taking that from work.
Yes, Rasta. Mr. Clark. Mr. Clark. Yes, some people here are bringing some dinner for you and water.
Water.
The water, Rasta, the water.
Frightened. Open it for him. Make him sit up. After already, it's warm. I just finished.
Not too much.
No, just come.
I'm seeing far.
Yeah.
You can rest it properly now.
Hold it straight, yes. Hold it near the answer the water.
Yeah. Anyone in there? Female. Yeah. 3. Esther have 2 already. Come here first, Esther. Dinner. Can I rest it down for you? Go and show Esther.
One little?
Yeah, go on.
One.
2 around there, prepare another one.
See what's here? Press it on the table there. You want to take the phone?
Okay.
Next one here.
The next one coming, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, man, yes, it's some, yeah, man, them are blue water.
You need another water, Esther, you have two? One more.
No, man, the water over. Oh.
Alright, give it. Alright, give them. Anyone else?
No. A gentleman, the other folk, but down the road. I think that's what they come outside.
Okay, we'll just leave the rest and then we'll deal with the rest.
Okay.
Listen. Yeah. So if I 5 food, leave 5 water. And 5 water. Alright, yeah, mommy? Alright then, thank you. Take care, yeah? Take care. Alright then, blessed love. Alright, no problem. Sit here. It's the water right here.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Alright, you want it to open? You want me to open it?
No, sir, no.
Okay. Alright, take care, mommy.
Okay.
Alright.
Some food for you now.
Yeah. That is a big one. Mikey, I rest up.
Yeah, it's like.
You feel so good? I'm good. Oh, I'm bedridden. Open it for him.
Yes, you know, I've been watching. I don't know how to express this, but I am one of those persons who don't have that kind of background, kind of thing about me. So one of the first things that jumped out at me was just to see
The water is there.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, take care, uncle.
Yes.
May I get some more, Derby, can I get some more diapers? And come drop off to him soon as well too.
You know, say Echo down and I want a picture.
Yeah. You know, must Echo start hiding face already. Yes, Echo. I did see me. You know, man. No. Yes, Derby. I got a phone call as well today. Someone they're coming from overseas. They're gonna bring some more pampas come. Yeah, so as soon as they bring them come drop them off. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Enough respect, man.
Yeah, man. Alright then. So big up, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So I go back around and come into them and finish the work.
Alright. Yeah.
Echo, you go and hide the face.
Alright. Them tell man them say, no, not can't change Echo.
Yeah, no, can't change Echo. Alright then, guys. So.
Take them come here when them fling around.
Yeah.
And them want to be a part tonight. And I tell the man them say, well, them go say you have to take COVID test. Good. Well, like you see me blood clot sick from my back.
You eat from there?
No, see.
Hmm?
2 peas.
2 peas.
Yeah.
Oh, belly full.
Yeah, man, peas.
Belly full.
Yeah.
So you punch me? Eh?
No, man. I'm not take a picture here.
Yeah.
You don't trust it.
I echo that from morning, man.
But it turn off, man.
It turn off.
It's not the fire.
No, what you know? I'm my son, I'm everything. So
Yeah.
Me I'm vex, but we can't tell him say, boy, get rid of something.
Alright, Uncle Echo.
Yeah. I can't go and live in a bucket. But me alien Kina, not even phone me now.
No, man. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. So we're going to head go see the rest of the people. Them now in the community. So we'll swing around and come around by
Buy one.
Huh? Yeah, we so you can put it in yourself. Yeah, we're going and come around. So we're here with the team. We have Esther here. You know the thing go. we have the Boom Dynamite, Rasta Messi, and Mother Teresa.
And my extended family, thank you for the grace.
And Natisha around here. Butterfly. Don't move a muscle.
Long time no see.
It's a long time don't see. How is everything?
I'm open my way, you know.
Right.
I tell you something, when I start going to operation.
Oh, you're gonna do an operation?
Yeah, I'm putting foot on the
Oh, they're gonna amputate it?
yeah, I'm telling them now. They can't improve.
Okay.
So we are trying to give me help some of the time now.
And it's not getting better?
Yeah, nah.
So them say the best solution is for amputating?
Yeah, so them say my choice do some less, tell them say, you know, whatever.
Right foot.
Right.
And the football will have which foot?
I think our left foot.
Our left foot. So let's look back on it. Because we have one foot, you know.
Oh.
But I think I want left foot. But I'm going to double check it.
This one I tall foot. I think right?
Tell people that what is the left or the right?
We have to go check it. So one of them. One of them with the right or left.
So in the future, maybe we can get a
Yeah. But I have one down there, I'm going to check if I see if I the right foot.
If it was the right foot?
If I the right foot,
That fit the size, yes.
so we'll give it to you.
So last month, now we go to admit. So no space, whatever. So we talk about this month, 19th this month.
This month you're going back?
Yeah, so the 19th, so I hope the best then.
Alright. Yeah. Alright then. So bring a meal to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check to see what if a right foot or a left foot.
Yeah. So who prepared?
Cosmo King. Them put it out for us. Cosmo King.
Yeah. Give thanks to Cosmo King for the meal, you know, and give thanks to who prepared it, you know.
Yes, the Wow Chef and
The Wow
Light
Chef
Parks.
and Light Parks, so
Yeah.
bless you, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright then. So I'm gonna keep in touch. When I reach down,
Yeah.
I'm gonna double check because it's down there, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I will take care, Peter.
So we update upon anything, you know?
Yeah. Alright, no problem. It should be. I wonder if Richie be over there?
Richard be over there? Eh? Richard be over there? Probably
Okay.
Alright then, come.
Princess. Oh, I forgot about Princess.
When she get full of find something.
So we're gonna stop off at Princess. We're gonna stop off here. I'm Prince. Oh, nothing there.
Princess! Yes! Hey, mommy!
She in there?
She's down the road.
Prince in there?
Prince in there? Yeah.
Yeah, could bring one for Prince. Could bring a meal for Prince. Okay.
Pull the gate.
Yes guys, so so you know what the duty is as well to always drop off a meal, you know? Same way, so obviously we have to go around and for a scanner stop and fill it. Yeah.
See it? No, we just have to pass it.
Princess yard looking nice. Oh, princess home looking nice. Look at this, guys. Wow. Princess yard looking nice. Faith, how you doing? High five. Wow, the yard look nice. Nice. Yes, princess. Princess is not here, guys, so I'm dropping off our food for Prince. I like the way all them did outside. Look at this young puppy having puppy. You mean there?
In Gandong a film park.
I like the way all the yard is now. You know, so Princess been putting in her work, as you can see, guys. What? You in there? Alright, let's just bring it in then. Him not to come out.
A bathroom?
No, down them there. That's, yeah. Prince. Team I get worse. We can bring in the food for you. We bring on food for you, Prince. How you doing, sir? Good? Yeah. Good? Keen you talk to? Yeah. You good, right? You can't walk.
I'm there. I'm put on the food for you.
What you say? You want a thing? I'll give you a thing. We'll give you a thing. Where you going to do with the thing when I give you the thing? Put in a pocket. Put in a pocket quick. Put in a pocket quick. Quick. You get me? Alright then, they come over here. Yeah. Alright then. Tell the mama say hi. Yeah. Alright then.
Full of plums.
Them sweet? Come leave the car outside running. No, go out there, the car drive gone.
Oh, you put it right. You pull it? Alright, Faith. I'm not teaching you the car now. Yeah, I'm driving to them. Up there. No. Yeah, once we have a move, but it's in there. Everywhere you go, you see money. I'm going to say, Can I in there? Oh.
In the toilet? He's in the toilet. We'll put the food on the table for you. Yes, Scanner? Huh? Yeah. Yes.
Philip! I do it. Oh, yeah.
Philip, we bring our food for you. Put it down for him, liquor. Alright? Oh. You not give him any more food? Why? Why? What's wrong?
So when he have money, keep it to himself.
When he have money, he keep it to himself?
Yeah. Thank you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, Philip.
And you must live loving, okay? Okay. Alright then, take care.
Alright.
Film says not sharing the food with Scanner. Because when Scanner have money, he don't share with him.
He wants to spend free money, but the man must be right. That's basically.
Scanner, later. Philip said not sharing any more food with you.
You're on your own. You're on your own.
The food is in the room, Scan.
I say I hide money from you, nah, share scan.
How much food in there? Yeah? So, one hour stay now? Yeah.
What you beat?
This guy, so imagine someone was driving past and I was asking, where's Arnett Garden? It's Arnett Garden is inside, you know, but it's one Trenchtown. The whole place named Trenchtown. You know, but you think Arnett Garden and Trenchtown is different place. You know, it's all one place. Arnett Garden and Trenchtown is the same one. The different name, different territory.
Hey.
Inside? Door is open. Open the door.
Second side.
Oh, so one live next door.
One live next door.
Ah, bless her, cool. Manners.
Sticker, there are meals for you.
Where's second there?
Should the next door?
It's Daphne.
Oh, come here, so.
Oh, I can't afford water come here.
I said what?
Tell you whoever can't afford
Okay. Something there behind it. Alright, well, I like a pepper tree.
Okay.
A lot of pepper.
Yeah.
You're right though.
It's happening.
A lot of pepper, boy.
Yeah.
She's over there?
Yeah, me here, but like she inside.
Oh.
Daphne?
You have a lot of pepper on your tree, boy.
I carry it for you. Okay, thank you. Blessed evening.
Alright, you hear Miss Daphne? Alright. Cook pepper. Yeah.
Next one I lie down.
Another one there.
Big.
The next
Big
one.
pepper.
Oh, somebody there by a bed from hole. Yeah, eat it. Yeah, you have to fix it then.
Lot of pepper. Take care, yeah?
Okay,
Alright, yeah. A lot of pepper. Pull up by the gate. Pull up by the gate. Yes, so. Yes, guys, so. You know, it's such to show love, you know, to help out each other, you know. Yes, that's it. So it is the way forward, you know, and me say, doing charity, you know, help out the less fortunate, you know, showing love, you know, is meaningful to life, right? So we have to do stuff that is meaningful to life, yeah. Don't do anything that's not meaningful to life. You know, helping out each other, showing love, you know. That is a lot of meaningful to life. It's a purpose, you know. While you're here on this universe, show love. That is it. Show love. So we're gonna go to the wow chef, mom. To the wow chef, mom.
So I live in there.
Can't do food.
Yeah. Hello. So one lady there, I should show one food there, so. Water finish?
Water done.
And food?
So I'm going to go out and buy the 32 cup. I save money for 32 cup, you know.
Yeah.
Come. Bring two, come.
I think I want it.
Ah, cool. Ah, let's see. Hello. Fisher scale. There, man. When you reach 60. Hey. Alright, yeah, Mr. Gary. Alright. Alright.
Not in real life, party money, you know.
Kino.
Kino, yeah.
So I look on your face and I see your face look familiar.
Mike, it's a man. That's cool, man.
Yeah.
I love the film, man. And it's a rough pan and shit. Yeah,
Alright.
man.
Yeah.
Vale.
US TikTok users uncapping at the first sale. For details and some free stories, log on to the default.
Stassa, who's inside? Kisha, bring her food for Miss Stassa. Bring her food for Miss Stassa. Evening, Miss Stassa.
Yes.
Bring a meal for you, okay? Alright then, later, yeah?
Yes.
Alright then, so we'll see you again soon. Yeah. Alright, Chief. Merci. Oh, bring one for the lady here. Eh? Latish, bring one for her as well. Bring a meal for you, okay? You're good. How is everything?
I was in the hospital.
You was in the hospital? What's wrong? High blood pressure?
Look for the medication. This medication.
Yeah.
Medication like must about 10 different containers.
10 different medication? Wow.
High blood pressure, sugar, the pain in the hip.
See water here as well. Oh yeah, up there. You want to put it on the table? You can put the food down for you? You can put it down as well.
Just get up.
Beautiful. Wow. Peer medication. So many medication them give you. Yes, so.
I've taken insulin to this.
And yeah, I saw the insulin as well.
That is the needle.
The needle, that right?
This is where you take, you draw the medication from the bottle.
Yeah.
Push it on the hand.
Oh. Wow.
But the medication like nothing.
Like nothing. Hey.
They are old. When you reach a certain age, you can look for anything.
Yeah, that's true.
All you have to do is give thanks and give praise, give God praise and live amongst people decently.
Yeah, that is true. Give thanks and praise, you know. Oh boy. Alright then, take care, man.
All the best. And
Alright then.
Alright, then, mommy.
Yes. Have jelly?
No, tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow. Alright then. Alright, yeah? Popo. Pope. Una. Hello, Mummy. Hello. How are you doing? Bring our food for you. You okay? Alright then. Amigo ain't going nowhere.
Right there na.
Right there.
Kami light mo ang pinya, kami ang light na.
That's it, of course. Sana ba the light?
Wala light there.
Light, not light man.
You know what I'm treating now.
In the meal.
Yeah. So that's very good in a man. See, I know behind that trust me that very good thing. You must get me like no go na go on for me no. Nothing na go on. Nothing na go on. I'm tell you man. You know why you go why?
Where is?
Because there's some sugar. If you want to me show you that me. There's sugar. Got soda. Got that. Spam. Got sugar too. Wait a minute, fry. Flour, make it into a wash night and fry it. I try there no man. That's very bad. Yeah.
It's $1,000.
Yeah. Very good, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. There's no man. Thanks, you know? Very good. Very good thing in God near time, you know? Yeah, man. Light I want to fix nothing, you know what I like. See, you run it from light.
Oh, it won't fix?
Both couldn't say goodbye, both panting and both.
Oh, is the current is the problem?
Yeah,
Oh,
you know,
well, guys, you know, this is Amigo, you know, Amigo. He cannot hear, you know. Yes, Amigo cannot hear when we speak and everything. Him have hearing problem, you know. So basically, he's not going to hear what I'm going to say, you know. So we have to get we'll try to get an electrician to come and look on his light then to get it fixed, you know. So
yeah, we don't want to look at light and them things they not see that. I'm taking this off.
oh, from here, so
Yeah, you know about it.
Amigo.
I'm not trying to repent because I'm not trying now.
Amigo.
I look back and so hard.
Amigo.
Yeah.
TV. Oh, on TV now, right?
So give thanks every time, you know. Bless
Yeah.
you know. That's very good every time, you know. Get to all of them and I say this is that. Yeah, man, I tell it rough for my man. See, right? I'm not going to have this and I'm going to let back some tomorrow. I'm not nothing. I'm trying to can't buy something with that sugar. I'm not sugar, I the back empty. I give thanks for every time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, bless it, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I tell them, man, so me can't do that. But, you know, baby island thing, you know, where they have flour and sugar. I know, say it on. You know what I mean? I tell them, man, I give thanks every time, yeah, bless it, yeah. That's very good saying, very good. Alright.
Alright guys, so Amigo cannot hear, you know, he's got hearing problems, so I guess he's saying he's got nothing to eat. Yeah, he said eat crackers and sugar. So I just give him some food and I give him $1,000 to buy some things. So I guess I have to go and buy him some groceries, you know, so I'm gonna buy him some groceries, some snacks and things where he can have, you know, so I have to go downtown by the supermarket and get him some stuff where he can have, because as you can see, he cannot move, he cannot do anything at all, you know, so he's just stuck in a position where, you know, he cannot help himself. So I'm going to try and I'm going to get some groceries for him to help out in the situation, because he's got nothing to do, nothing to eat, so there's no income for him, you know, because it's him and his cousin. The cousin is the lady that you see sit down right there at the front of the gate, you know, as you can see what it's like, you know, for them. Like, it's really tough. So I'm gonna try my best to go and get some groceries for them and come and drop it off for him, you know. So it's really tough, you know, it's really tough when you cannot do nothing to help yourself, you know, as you can see. Eating crackers and sugar only, like, you know. that is really, really tough, you know, eating crackers and sugar oil. So at least now he can buy something. So I'll go and get him some groceries, get him some snacks, you know, where he can, you know, get him stuff where he probably can cook or something, you know, but he needs some groceries, so I'm gonna try and get him some groceries so he can have that to help out, you know. So this is his cousin, as you can see, they sit here, they got nowhere else to go, you know, they cannot really move up, they're not active and everything, you know. Alright, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Alright. You know, life, you know, so we have to always give thanks for life, because you see people and you don't even know what they're going through, you know. So why complain, you know? Why to worry about someone else when what you're doing with your life, when people like this in a situation that need help, you know? You know, people that need help and everything. Oh, get on, a good thing yeah, pass. Right first, the right it. Look, amigo, say my him light now work. Take a look at him light. Look at that, it's old father got work, electrician I walk past.
I go from the tool and fall, yeah? I go from the tool and fall.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying that.
Which one am I from, man?
The boat go there now.
That one, which one?
The outside one?
In when now I can't hear you. Look, I plug him same plug in something coffee. Oh, see there?
The switch.
You see that?
Switch.
It's come on now.
Yeah, man. You need a switch. You need a switch.
Come on.
Yeah, this one change.
No, say nothing.
Get a switch, you can change it. A switch one change.
I switch.
Yeah.
Oh, but I know this. I plug in, you know.
I plug it in?
Yeah.
Oh.
I plug in.
So this one turn on which one? The inside?
It not use. It not look like it I use.
Hold on.
It not look like it I use.
What you put it?
Plug in back this amigo.
Let's see.
It not look like it I use at all.
Put it on.
That not
What a receptacle.
Oh, is that a receptacle? Oh, him can't be here, so we have to get one receptacle for him.
Can I get it? Can no, let's go piece with that and go screw it up.
You can get a receptacle?
Yeah, man. Car said.
Alright, just leave it for me then. Alright, so amigo is gonna do it for you, okay? He's gonna buy a receptacle and deal with it for you. So you can plug in this for the time being. Alright, see it on, you know. Right. He's gonna fix it, yeah, so come back. Alright guys, you see how that works? You know, imagine the electrician is passing the same time we're talking about his light. So he's gonna buy a receptacle and also a bulb and fix it for him so he can have the light inside. That's how the Almighty works. Look how the Almighty works in mysterious ways. We never expect to see the electrician walking past at the same time when we're talking about the light from amigo, you know, so no one can have some light, but he's gonna need some food. So I just gave him the money to buy the receptacle for him, so but I need to get him some grocery where he can help out himself. Right guys, so we thank you so much for watching Kenya Life in Jamaica. You know, as you can see, we give out the food already, you know, so the prefect is over there, you know, the whole chef is going to give out food to the rest of the elders them while we was on the road, you know, so that's what it is, you know, we work in a team. So the whole chef and the prefect already give out the rest of the meal to that side while we was heading to this side, you know, so just like so we're gonna go over by the headquarters now while the electrician is gonna come and fix the light for amigo, you know, so we give thanks, you know, we give thanks, so alright.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.